In this video, I'm going to show you how to zip your folders containing your assignment files. Now, in the screen that you're looking at right now, this may not be the exact setup of your folders, but when you take most of the courses from me, the publisher will already have student data files, and I'll usually present it to you zipped, and then you unzip it. When you unzip it, the folder will be there that will contain all the subfolders for each of the assignments from the book. So what you're viewing right now is what I have for my IM 130 Word class. So you'll see when you unzip the student data file, you'll have a folder created that says Data Files for Text. So if you double click on it, you'll have a folder for each of the tutorials from the book as well as some additional folders. So let me use the example from our tutorial 1. And again, if you're not taking the Word class, it may be an Excel class or another course. Same concept, you'll just have different folder names. So let's say that you're getting ready to submit your tutorial 1 book assignment. So you'll go into Word 1 and you'll have a folder. And again, all of these folders have already been created for you by the publisher, and inside each folder you'll have your starting files. Now this is also the same folder that you should be saving your completed files as well. So even though I'm going to be zipping the folder name tutorial, keep in mind besides the starting files, you'll have an additional file or two based on your completed assignment. So to zip a folder, because it is most important that you know how to zip and unzip, but also when you're sending me your assignments, that I receive all of the files. I don't care if there's additional files in that folder. I just want the zipped folder with everything in it. So to zip this folder, I'm going to right click on the folder that I want to zip containing my assignment files as well as the starting files. Then I'm going to go down to 7-zip. Now you may have something named differently. It may be WinZip. And I take it back. I'm going to go down to Send To first. So I'm going to go down to Send To. Then I'm going to go down to Compress. Now everybody should have this on your system regardless of your operating system. If you're on a Mac, it may be a little different, so it's going to be up to you to look that up. So I'm going to left click on Compress, and then I get another folder with a little zipper icon on it. Now if you can't see the extension, that's because you don't have your file management program set up to view extensions. It's no big deal. Look at the icon. You may have a 7Z or some other icon based on the compression program that's on your computer. And then you'll also see underneath the type column where it says compressed file. So this is the file that you're actually going to upload through the assignment link in Blackboard. Then once I receive it, I'll unzip it. So this is how you unzip. You right click on the zipped file that you saved to your system. Then you're going to choose either Extract All, but if you have another program, I have 7-zip, you may have WinZip, you may want to go to that one. Then you can choose Extract Here. Now the downside to that is because I have a folder with the same name, it's going to replace it, so I'm going to cancel that out. If I want to keep my original and I just want to download the file that the instructor gave me and maintain the folder, I'm going to right click on the zip file and I'm going to choose 7-zip again, but I'll choose Extract File so I can put a name at the end of it. So I'll just name this Tutorial Feedback. So I know this is the one that the instructor gave me. And at that point I can open it up and I might have several folders in there, and then I would have not only my starting files but my finished file, as well as probably, if you're taking my class, you'll have a rubric as well that'll show the breakdown. So that's how you zip and that's how you unzip. If you have any questions and you're still having issues with it, please get this resolved quickly and contact your instructor to get some assistance. Thank you.